Welcome to a journey through the fascinating world of vegetables. Vegetables are not just the greens on your plate, they are a diverse and essential part of our diet. What are vegetables? Vegetables are edible parts of plants that we consume as part of our meals. Vegetables come from a wide range of plants, including leafy greens like spinach, underground roots like carrots, and above-ground stems like asparagus. You'll find vegetables in an array of shapes, sizes, and colors. Some are tender and delicate, while others are robust and hardy. Vegetables offer a wide spectrum of flavors. Some are mild and subtle, like zucchini, while others are bold and savory, like bell peppers. The variety of tastes is what makes vegetables so versatile. Vegetables are a powerhouse of nutrition. They are rich in vitamins, minerals, dietary fiber, and antioxidants. Consuming a variety of vegetables can contribute to a healthy and balanced diet. Vegetables are incredibly versatile in the kitchen. You can enjoy them raw in salads, stir-fry them, roast them, or use them as ingredients in a wide range of dishes. They add color, flavor, and nutrition to your meals. Different regions have their own unique and native vegetables. From Japanese eggplants to Italian artichokes, vegetables play a central role in many cuisines and cultures. Like fruits, vegetables also have their seasons. Some are best in the summer, while others thrive in the cooler months. Eating seasonal vegetables can ensure they are at their freshest. Vegetables often hold cultural significance. They are used in celebrations, rituals, and traditions, symbolizing prosperity, health, and even spiritual connections. If you found this exploration of vegetables enlightening, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more exciting journeys into the world of food, nature, and knowledge. Thanks for joining us on this vegetable adventure.